The modular industrial LED luminaire has been developed with collaborative reuse and recyclability in mind. By adopting a modular approach, not only is the product very flexible, with various options to suit specific needs, but it also allows for the product to be repaired with minimum effort in the event of faults. The main modules of the product make up the luminaire's construction. These include the fixing backplate, gear tray, and the lighting unit. The sub-modules within the gear tray allow for complete flexibility with a plug-and-play system which makes reuse and recyclability easily achievable. Traditionally, if an industrial luminaire were to fail, it would be common for the whole unit to be replaced, which would lead to unnecessary waste. However, with the flexibility of a modular plug-and-play system, if an LED driver were to go faulty, it is as simple as replacing the affected module. The faulty module can then be returned, repaired, and reused. If repair is not possible, then the module will be recycled in a responsible manner. Producing a sustainable product that encourages reuse and recyclability and the reduction of waste is a core fundamental of the circular economy business models that the Circ for Life project has developed. Delivering a product with this potential can only go so far though. To truly achieve a collaborative reuse-recycle business model, the consumer needs to be incentivized to make the most of the product's potential for reuse. Therefore, Kosnic have also developed a leasing service model. By operating under the leasing service model developed by Kosnic, every party is incentivized to follow a collaborative reuse-recycle approach to the product's lifecycle. Under traditional supply, where product ownership passes solely onto the consumer, if a fault were to occur, it would be left up to the consumer to decide how best to replace the affected unit. However, with a maintenance service built into the leasing service model, every party remains involved. This means that a fault can be reported, a replacement module can be supplied, and the faulty unit can be replaced at site and returned to Kosnic for repair or recycle. The leasing service also allows for upgradability. Lighting is an industry that is constantly evolving with new technology and increased efficiency taking place at an ever-increasing rate. In much the same way that both the modular design of the product and the leasing service make it possible for product life to be extended, they both also make it possible for the product to be upgraded. As is common with leasing services in other industries, upgradability is an option at the end of the leasing contract. Rather than ending the contract and taking ownership of products, it would be possible to consider upgrades to the lighting by adding new modular components such as more efficient drivers, improved LED boards, or even new controls with more expansive options, such as remote control or remote reporting. Together, both the modular product and the leasing service work hand in hand to collaboratively control and incentivize recycle and reuse. Product life can be significantly increased through both flexibility to repair and upgrade, which works towards reducing waste and making the most out of the installed product.